Today we are going to start practice set 2.2. So in the practice set 2.2, question number 6 to 9 in problem number 1. So here is the problem number 6 is there. 6x minus 2 upon x is equal to 1. So that you want to solve. So here is 6x minus, this sign is minus, see, minus 2 upon x is equal to 1. Okay, so this is the problem given to us. So here is the denominator, which is the denominator x. X is the denominator. So that x denominator divide to 2. So that x denominator divide to 2. So when that x go across, it can be multiplied. So what I write, my students, I write here multiplying each term of the equation by x. Multiplying each term of the equation by x. So here is each term can be multiplied by x. So 6x into x minus 2 upon x into x is equal to 1 into x, such a way. So here is 6x into x, you are getting 6x square. 6x into x, so you are getting 6x square minus 2 upon x into x. So this numerator x and this denominator x cancel. So here is also write minus 2. So 6x square minus 2 and x1 is x. I again explain this because some of the students don't understand. So see here 6x minus 2 upon x is equal to 1. So what is the denominator? X. X is the denominator. So that x is divided to 2. X is divided to 2. When that x go across, it can be multiplied. So it can be multiplied, each term they are multiplied. So 6x into x, you are get 6x square minus 2 upon x into x. X cancel. So what is remains? 2 minus 2. 1 into x, x1 is x, so you are getting x. So 6x square minus 2 is equal to x. So another step is this x is positive, when that go across it becomes negative. So you are getting that this x is positive, that go across negative. So 6x square remain as it is. This plus x go across minus x. This minus 2 remain as it is. So here is you are getting 6x square minus x minus 2. Anyone doubts here? Are you understand up to this? Yeah. So the first term coefficient is greater than 1. See, the first term coefficient is 6. So that is greater than 1. So that is multiplying to the third term. Okay. The first term coefficient is greater than 1 because it is 6. So that 6 is multiplying to third term. 6 to the 12. So you are getting minus 12. Okay. So you are getting minus 12. 6 to the 12. So you are getting minus 12. So you are finding the such a two numbers whose product must be 12, that is the minus 12, whose product must be minus 12, and whose addition or subtraction must be 1. See, whose addition or subtraction must be 1. So that two number you want to find out. So 4 3s are 12. 4 3s are 12. Okay, because 4 into 3, if you are multiplying 4 3s are 12, you are getting 12. Okay, but middle term sign is negative. See, the middle term sign is negative. So when the middle term sign is negative, then which is the greater number, that sign you are change. Are you understand what I say? See, the first term is 6. It is greater than 1. So that first term multiplying to the third term. So this is the first term 6. That is multiplying to the third term. That is the product. So 6 to the 12. So 12 is the product. And sum or subtraction must be 1. So you have taken two numbers. 4 3s are 12. Yeah. That product we are getting 12. But middle term sign is minus. And what is the number? 1. Minus 1. So you must be get minus. So middle term sign is minus. So you have changed the sign of the bigger number. Which is the bigger number? That bigger number sign you have changed. So 4 is the bigger number. So that sign you have changed. It is become minus. So 6x square. So it is become minus. So what happened? into 3. 4 3s are 12. In multiplication, sign of both number are not same. So answer is negative minus 12. Then see here. 4 is negative, 3 is positive. Sign are same? No. 4 negative, 3 positive. Sign are not same. So subtract 4 minus 3. What is remain? 1. Bigger number sign minus. So minus x. So 6x square minus 4x plus 3x minus 2. That is factorized. First 6x square is factorized. So 2 into 3, 2 3s are 6. So 6 can be factorized. 2 into 3, 6. X into x square. Then 4x can be factorized. 2 into 2, 4 into x. So 2 common, so it is outside the bracket. X common, so it is outside the bracket. So 2x is common, so it is outside the bracket. What is uncommon remains here? 3x. So it is written into the bracket 3x. Minus sign remain as it is. 4x is factorized 2 into 2 into x. So the 2x is common, go outside. So here is only one 2 is remain, that can be write into this bracket. So you are getting 2x in bracket 3x minus 2. Then 3x is factorized. 3x into 1. 3x 1s are 3x. Minus 2 into 1. Okay. So there is nothing common. So here is common is 1. So I am taken common 1. And uncommon 3x minus 2. So that is right here 3x minus 2. So see, here is 3x minus 2. Here is 3x minus 2. So both sides there is the 3x minus 2, 3x minus 2. So this 3x minus 2 is common, so it can be write single times. Okay. So here is a right 3x minus 2 common, so it is write single time. Uncommon is 2x plus 1. So here is I write uncommon 2x plus 1. So here is the possibility is 3x minus 2 is equal to 0, and another possibility is 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. So there are the two possibilities. So one possibility here is written 3x minus 2 is equal to 0. That possibility I write 3x minus 2 is equal to 0. That possibility I write first. And second 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. Okay. So this possibility we write minus 2. Minus 2 go across plus 2. 3x is equal to 2. So 3x is equal to 2. 3 is multiply, go across, divide. So x is equal to 2 upon 3. Is that clear? 3x minus 2 and 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. So 3x minus 2 is equal to 0. 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. So 3x is equal to 2. Then 3 is multiply, go across, divide. So 3 is multiply, go across, divide. So x is equal to 2 upon 3. So see, 3x is equal to 2. 3 is multiply, go across, divide. So 2 upon 3. So x is equal to 2 upon 3. 2x is equal to minus 1. 2 is multiply, go across, divide. So minus 1 upon 2. So x is equal to 2 upon 3. X is equal to minus 1 upon 2. Are you understand? See, 3x minus 2 and 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. This is the first possibility. Then 3x minus 2 is equal to 0. So minus 2 go across plus 2. So 3x is equal to 2. 3 is multiplied, go across, divide. So 2 upon 3. Then 2x plus 1 go across minus 1. So 2x is equal to minus 1. 2 is multiplied, go across, divide. So x is equal to minus 1 upon 2. So the roots are 2 upon 3 and minus 1 upon 2 are the root of quadratic equation. Then we will see the problem number 7. Complete the following activity to solve the quadratic equation square root 2x square plus 7x plus 5 root 2 is equal to 0 by factorization methods. Okay. So first we write this problem here. Square root 2x square plus 7x plus 5 root 2. First term coefficient is greater than 1. So this root 2 multiply. So we are getting answer 2. So this answer 2. So 2 into 5. What you get? 2 into 5, 10. Are you understand what I say? See, this is the root 2 that is greater than 1. So that root 2 is multiplying to this root 2. So this root 2 into root 2 you are getting 2. 2 into 5 what you get? 10. Okay. So product must be 10. The product must be 10 and sum or subtraction must be 7. Into this root 2 we are getting 2. 2 into 5 10. So you can finding the product 10. Okay, you want to finding the product 10. So 10 is the product and sum must be 7. So we are finding such a two numbers whose product is 10. 5 2s are 10. We are getting product 10. 5 2s are 10 and 5 plus 2 7. So this 7x is factorized. See, this is the 7x. It is the middle term. So this 7x is factorized 5x plus 2x. Are you understand why it is so? Because product must be you want 10. So you want the product 10. So 5 2s are 10. So you are getting product 10. Okay. And sum must be 7. So 5x plus 2x you are getting 7. So this is the root 2x square plus 5x. This is the first term. Plus 2x plus 5 root 2. This is the second term. Root 2x square is factorized. Root 2 into x into x. 5x is factorized 5 into x. So here is xx is common, so it is outside the bracket. Uncommon root 2x here is written and another uncommon 5 here is written. This is the 2x plus 5 root 2. So this 2 is factorized root 2 into root 2. Because how can you get 2 when you are doing the factorization of this root 2? This 2 is factorized root 2 into root 2. Okay. So instead of 2 here is right root 2 into root 2. So here is root 2, here is root 2. Root 2 is common, so it is outside the bracket. So what is uncommon? 1 root 2 and x. So root 2x plus 5 is equal to 0. So in both bracket root 2x plus 5, here is having root 2x plus 5, here also root 2x plus 5. So here is in two bracket the number is same, root 2x plus 5, root 2x plus 5. So that is common, so that can be write single times. So here is you write root 2x plus 5. Then what is uncommon? X plus root 2. So here is the right x plus root 2 is equal to 0. So first thing, root 2x plus 5 is equal to 0. Root 2x plus 5 is equal to 0. Second thing, x plus root 2 is equal to 0. Okay, x plus root 2 is equal to 0. See, first root 2x plus 5 is equal to 0. Root 2x plus 5 is equal to 0. X plus root 2 is equal to 0. So plus 5 go across, minus 5. Plus root 2 go across, minus root 2. So see, root 2x plus 5 go across, minus 5. Root 2 is multiply, go across, divide. So minus 5 upon root 2. Is that clear? See, this is the plus 5, go across, minus 5. So here is the right minus 5. Then this root 2 is multiply, go across, divide. So x is equal to minus 5 upon root 2. Then x plus root 2. So this plus root 2 go across, minus root 2. So x is equal to minus root 2. Is that clear? See, root 2x plus 5 is equal to 0. X is equal to minus 5 upon root 2. That is the answer. X plus root 2 is equal to 0. X is equal to minus root 2. Okay. So you are getting that answer. X is equal to minus 5 upon root 2 or x is equal to minus root 2. Then another. So the root is minus 5 upon root 2 and minus root 2. So this is the 8th problem. 3x square minus 2 root 6x plus 2. See, in this problem, the first term coefficient is 3, which is that 3. The first term coefficient is 3. So I already explained you, if the first term coefficient is greater than 1, what I say, the first term coefficient is greater than 1, then that is multiplying to third term. So that is multiplying to third term. So this 3 is multiplying to third term 2. So 3 2s are 6. Is that clear? See, 3x square minus 2 root 6x plus 2 is equal to 0. So this 3 coefficient, it is multiplying to 2. So 3 2s are 6. So you are getting the product 6. So you want to find out the product 6 and sum of subtraction must be minus root 2 6. So here is 3x square minus root 6x minus root 6x. You know that this root 6 into root 6, your 6 can be factorized root 6 minus root 6 plus 2. Okay, so this is the first term 3x minus root 6. This is the second term root 6x plus 2. So this 3x square is factorized such a way 3x square is remain as it is. Root 6x is factorized root 3x into root 2, because root 3 into root 2, 3 2s are 6, root 6x. Okay, so this root 6x is factorized such a way, see, this root 6x is factorized such a way root 3x into root 3, root 3x into root 2. Is that clear? See, root 6x is factorized root 3x into root 2. Then minus root 6x, it is also factorized same, root 3x into root 2. Then plus 2 remain as it is. This is the first term, this is the second term. So these 3 is also factorized root 3 into root 3. Then you are getting common root 3. Okay, root 3 is common because this 3 is factorized root 3 into root 3, because root 3 into root 3 we are getting 3. So this is factorized root 3 into root 3. So here is root 3, here is root 3. So it is common outside the bracket. Here is x, here is x. So root 3x is common. Then what is uncommon? Root 3x. So here is the right root 3x. Minus, what is remain? Root 2. So it is right root 2. Then minus, this is the 2. So this 2 is factorized root 2 into root 2. Okay. So see, root 2, root 2. So root 2 is common. What is uncommon? Root 3x minus root 2 is common. So both side common, root 3x minus root 2. Here is root 3x minus root 2. It is common. So that can be right single times. So see, root 3x minus root 3, root 3x minus root 2. They are 2 times. So that is common. So it is right single time. Root 3x minus root 2. Uncommon root 3x. I write here root 3x. Minus uncommon root 2. So I write minus uncommon root 2. Both sides same factors. Root 3x minus root 2 is equal to 0, or root 3x minus root 2 is equal to 0. So root 3x is equal to root 2. So this root 3 is multiplied, go across, divide. So x is equal to root 2 upon root 3. So this is the x. So that x is equal to root, this is the root 2, and this root 3 is multiplied, go across, divide. So root 2 upon root 3. So this is the value of x. Anyone doubts? So here both the roots are same. Root 3, root 2 upon root 3. Are you understand or not? See, the root 3 minus root 3x minus root 2 is equal to 0. So this minus root 2 go across, plus root 2. So root 3x is equal to root 2. So root 2 remain as it is. Root 3 is multiply, go across, divide. So root 2 upon root 3 is answer. Here also same condition. See, minus root 2 go across, root 2. Then this root 3 is multiply, go across, divide. So root 2 upon root 3. So both roots are same. Are you understand? Then we will see the problem number 9. That is 2m in bracket m minus 24 is equal to 50. What is written here? 2m in bracket m minus 24 is equal to 50. So this 2m is multiplying m, you get 2m square. Okay, this 2m is multiplying m, you get 2m square. Are you understand? Then this 2m is multiplying 24. 24 2s are 48. So you get minus 48m. So I will show you 2m into m, 2m square. Is that clear? Minus sign remain as it is. 2m into 24. 24 2s are 48. So here is the right 48. 24 2s are 48. So here is right 48m. In the middle term sign negative. Plus 50 go across, minus 50. So 2m square minus 48m minus 50 is equal to 0. 2 is multiplying, go across, divide. 2 into 50, what you get? 100. So minus 100 is the answer. Or another step, you can make it simple, means small. How can you doing small? This is the 2. This 2 can be divided 48. This 2 can be divided 50. So when the 2 is divided each and every term, then this equation is become smaller. Divided into each and every term. So 2 1s are 2, what is remain? M square. 2 2s are 4, so 2. 2 4s are 8, so 24. M is remain as it is. 2 2s are 4, what is remain 1? 2 5s are 10. So we are getting answer M square minus 24M minus 25 is equal to 0. Dividing each term by 2. Okay. 2m square divided by 2, you get m square minus 48m divided 2 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8 minus 24m. 2 2s are 4, what is remain 1? 2 5s are 10. So m square minus 24m minus 25 is equal to 0. Dividing each term of the equation by 2 means when you are divided this term, this equation by 2, then you are getting m square minus 24m minus 25 is equal to 0. Then what is the product you want? 25 must be the product and sum or subtraction must be 24. Okay, 25 must be product and sum or subtraction must be 24. So 25 ones are 24. So this m square remain as it is. Minus 25 into m. 25 ones are 25. 25 is negative, m is positive. 25 is negative and m is positive. So here is minus 25 remain as it is. M square minus 25, this is the first term. M square is factorized m into m. Minus 25m is factorized 25 into m. Are you understand what I say? See here m square. So that m square is factorized m into m. Minus 25m is factorized 25 into m. So m common outside the bracket, uncommon is m minus 25. Okay, so see the m square m into m. Here is m, here is m common outside the bracket. Uncommon only one m is remain, that is written in bracket minus 25. So m minus 25, here is nothing common, so nothing common, so common is 1. So here is a right plus 1 and uncommon m minus 25 remain as it is. So here is m minus 25, here is m minus 25. So both side common is m minus 25. So whatever be the common, that can be write single times. So we write m minus 25 single times. Okay, and what is uncommon? M plus 1. So here is written m plus 1. So m minus 25 and m plus 1 is equal to 0. First possibility, m minus 25 is equal to 0. M minus 25 is equal to 0. Second possibility, m plus 1 is equal to 0. Minus 25 go across, plus 25. Plus 1 go across, minus 1. So minus 25 go across, plus 25. So m is equal to 25. Plus 1 go across, minus 1. So m is equal to 25 or m is equal to minus 1. That is the answer you are getting. So 25 and minus 1 are the root of the given quadratic equation. Such a way we are seeing the 9 problems in this exercise. So only 3 problem is given to you for homework. Where whatever you are understand or not understand, that can be checked with help of the homework. So I am giving to you that homework. So if till you are not subscribed this channel, then please subscribe this channel and subscribe this channel and send to your friends and say to them like and subscribe. Stay home, stay safe, goodbye.